Hello and welcome to another Parts Factory installation tutorial video. Today we're doing a super duper easy job. It's literally going to take us about a minute. It's an I30 boot lock actuator. Really straightforward, guys. You got three 10mm screws and one plug. I really have only made this video to provide to you the thing that we promise on our website, which is a free installation tutorial video. Perhaps it'll make you realize that it's always worth checking out how long it actually does take, because otherwise you might go to a mechanic and they could charge you an hour to do this, which is obviously ridiculous. Before we get started, I will remind you, we do have this product available on our website at partsfactoryoz.com.au. I think it's $83.30. Compare that to Hyundai at about 250 bucks plus delivery, plus installation, etc. You can see why you would definitely choose to go through us. I'll chuck the link on the top left of the screen. Let's get into the fit. Right. Real straightforward. We've obviously popped the tailgate. If you can't do that, then you can go in through the back here, and there's a little tab. You can put a flathead screwdriver, chuck it in there, and basically all that's happening is it pushes on that little rod and it'll manually unlock it. Okay, so we'll just literally the three 10mm. 1, 2, 3. Bring it out like that, and as you can see, you got that plug just there. This is actually a genuine Hyundai one, but as you can see, they are an exact replica to the Parts Factory variant, except hopefully when you get ours in the mail, it actually works for you, and you literally just plug it back in, and of course bring it up to position. I'd recommend using your fingers to start the bolts. 1, 2, and of course the third one. Now, just a little tip, you can see how it moves side to side. I recommend lining it up with the paint so you cannot see the areas that aren't painted. That way, if you go to sell this car, no one ever questions whether or not you've had it painted, etc, etc. 2 and 3, and that is literally all done, guys. All right, guys, easy as that. It literally took under a minute to get that job done, which is absolutely incredible. As we said, you've just saved yourself 250 bucks doing a job like that yourself, which, yeah, definitely a great deal here at Parts Factory Australia. Alrighty guys, my name's Lucas Trabs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.